Why did all the real ones go? Why is my night so slow? Ink seeping in my skin, hoping it could heal my soul. No, I gotta get my own. Swear we on different roads. I'm burning a fucking bridge, cause I ain't gon' pay no toll. Money can't kill my pain, but no, it keeps my dream alive. Honey be all I dream these days because my health declines. Runny nose doing laps around them cause it's do or die. It's do or die. And I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder if it's worth it. Always getting hurt and I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder what's the purpose. I'm coming back to earth. My regrets are texts I couldn't send to you. Close my eyes and pretend like this never ended, cause I've been leaning on you, been dreaming on you. I thought I knew you. This tunnel vision is all I witnessed. Know you've been through it. Please come back to earth for me. This was just a seed that you planted in dirt for me. It's worth something. I've been trying to show them the worst of me. Name me one person who would steal from a purse for me. It hurts, don't it? We got some demons in common, but not the same lows. 5'9", but you be 6 feet deep and find a halo. I know where the fuck I'm going. These mountains just stepping stones. Pour some whiskey when in Rome, just sipping Jameson alone. I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder if it's worth it. Always getting hurt and I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder what's the purpose. I'm coming back to earth. And I've been waiting so long, yeah, to have you by my side. That I felt it all, weeping alone. Your words remain carved in my bones. Thought I knew how this shit would go, so I don't know how the fuck I'ma let go. Rain and shine, I'ma get money. If you wake up, that's a good morning, yeah. Faces all around me, they yawning, and I'ma smile back if we honest, but I ain't doing nothing